all three of these teas are considered to be warming food, and they will help stimulate the circulation of the blood, so it will warm up your body. And the normal range of the human body temperature is from 36.5 to 37 degrees. And if the body temperature drops, the body function will also slow down and the nervous system will get numb. So you might be more vulnerable to various infections or diseases. And there are also scientific studies reporting that if your body temperature drops by 1 degree, then your immunity decreases by 30%. And on the other hand, if the body temperature rises 1 degree, then your immune system gets 5 to 6 times stronger. So it is beneficial for you to consume warming food. So the adrenal medulla in the ginger stimulates the hormone system of the body to produce more adrenaline, which will expand the arteries and also the vessels, and it will stimulate the circulation of the blood to warm up the body. And also, substance called gingerol will stimulate the secretion of the bile acids, so it will help your digestion, and also it cleans out the cholesterol in the blood flows. And also, antioxidant substances will have the anti-aging effects. Well, when we say warming food, it doesn't mean that literally the food, the temperature of the food, but the character of the food. So all of these foods are warming food. And for example, for tangerine, it has plenty of vitamin C, which is good for preventing common cold and also fatigue and enhancing the metabolism of the body. You might remember watching cartoons where these large Saint Bernards come to the rescue with these strong liquids hanging from their lashes.
Yeah, they have brandy.
Yeah. Well, it's partly true that it can warm up your body temporarily, but eventually it will develop into hypothermia because it breaks down the system that controls the body temperature. So this is why we hear news. Sometimes people die because they had their fan on for all night, or maybe they fell asleep outdoors after drinking too much. Warming food is most beneficial for somin type of people who tend to have a lot of digestive problems or cold hands and cold feet, and they tend to be very white and skinny. And
That's you.
I have problems with digestion these days.
All of these food are good for somin to warm up their
There
body.
you go.
Thank you.
For tamin, we have a bit of excessive heat and we sweat a lot, so it's good for us to avoid food that is too hot or too cold. It's beneficial for us to eat just warm food. For example, milk, beef, and chestnuts are warm food. And maybe samgyetang is too hot for tamin, but it's very beneficial to somin. And for soyangin, who are always in a hurry and have a bad temper, they have excessive heat, so it's good for them to eat cold food, such as pork. Because we're talking about foods rather than herbal medicines, there are only few side effects, so it's generally safe to consume food. But if you're a sensitive person, let's say you have problems sleeping after drinking coffee, it's wise for you to avoid that kind of food. Some people, they complain that they developed headache or insomnia or maybe nose bleeding after they eat warming food, then it will be better for you to avoid that kind of food. Well, water is very essential in controlling your body temperature, so drinking plenty of water is very important. And also, exercising your muscles will enhance the metabolism of the body and keep your body warm, so that will help. And also, lower body bathing can stimulate the circulation and keep your body warm.